Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to do part 3 of guessing computer. And we're now going to, so we kind of understand what bisectional search is. That's the technique we're going to use. Each time we guess, we're going to throw out half of the wrong answers. And this gets down to the right answer pretty quickly. But we're not going to use 20. We are going to use, but let's just do a little rehash on this. So, and we call X, and we spread these out so we can see. Alright, so there's 21 numbers here. 0 through 20 is 21. So our midpoint is 10. So we have 10 on this side, 10 on this side, and 1. So we're going to pick higher or lower, and then we discard. So we get rid of almost half because we have more than. So the technique we're going to use again is bisection search. So all right, we don't need this. So the real important thing is we're going to, and also to make this a little bit more complicated and have this kind of draw out a little bit, we're going to use 0 through 100. So that's going to be our high number is 100. Our low number is going to be 0. Spread these out. Now, we have to come up with a guess. So, alright, we need to figure out what kind of algorithm technique we're going to use to split half. So you might say, well, 50 is the midway, and you're exactly right. And the other technique we're going to use is floor division, because we want to round. Our technique we're going to do is we're going to round down. So me saying floor division, you do not know what it is, pause here, go watch floor division, then come back and pick up where you left off. So alright, I'll show you, you'll see it, but if you need more in depth, go look at floor division. It's one of the first videos. So okay, so alright, we can do 100 floor division. We're going to cut it in half. We get 50. Well, this is cheating because we know the number, but we know we're going to split it in half. So I'm going to show you one way we can do this. I'm going to separate it so we can see. Guess. And another way is, because each time we search, we'll go back to our technique here. So each time we search, one of them is going to change, our high or low, and our guess is going to become our new number, right? So here's our high, here's our low, and our guess is 10. So let me show you how we can do that. And then we need to change it to make whichever way it is. If it's higher, we're going to change one of the variables. So, all right. Let me show you another way to do this. Let's run this again. Let's block this out before we have a fail here. So, okay, let's run this. So, high minus low divided by 2 plus low. Boom, we get 50. So alright, let's go through this again. High minus low, so that's our difference. Then we're going to floor divide it to cut it in half. Then we're going to add it to our low to get us up to here. So let's say I picked wrong and I want this to move this again. Let's say we changed it to our high was 50. So our new guess, our old guess was wrong and we needed to change this. So high equals 50. So high, let's just copy this. Boom. 25. So see what we did? We'll go over this one more time. So we changed our new one. We threw out half of our results, and our 50 became our new high. So low still stayed 0, so we just shrunk our searches. That was our difference. Still added it to 0 and went so on and so forth. So we'll slowly see this. Paste. That is, I guess I thought I copied that. Guess I did not. Okay. Copy, paste, and undo this. So, alright. So each time through, this is going to change. So, we're going to stop right here, and we're going to pick up next time on the decisions of which goes where. So, but this is the first step. This is our first guess. Then we're going to start doing some decisions if it's too high or too low. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we got videos coming out at 12 o'clock every day, 12 o'clock local time. And please leave any comments, questions below, any video requests, any things you need more explained. So we'll pick up right here next time. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are getting something out of this, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.